Magandang araw sa lahat ng ating mga kabayan mula Luzon, Visayas at saka Mindanao, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga DepEd employees, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga DepEd teachers na nag-aabang para sa kanilang Performance-Based Bonus or PBB 2023 na SARO Special Allotment Release Order para galing sa DepEd. So, last Friday, that was November 21, meron ding mga SARO na nai-release ang DBM para sa PBB. So, una na dito, we have the Regional Office 1. So, congratulations. That's amounting to 925 billion. Next, we have the Regional Office 7, amounting to 38 million. And we also have it here, Regional Office 1 again, 2.7 million. Ito ay mga PBB, SARO. We also have it here, Division of Maasin Leyte, that's Regional Office 8. Congratulations, amounting to 1.4 million pesos. Next is Division of La Carlota City, 38.7 million. What else? Meron din tayo Division of Cadiz City, 27.1 million. Division of Tabaco City, Region 5, 2 million pesos. Then we also have Division of Ligao, Ligao City, 2.1 million. We also have from Ligao, let's go to Division of Legazpi City, Regional Office, Region 5 ito. Division of Legazpi City amounting to 1.9 million. We also have Division of Albay, Region 5, 4.7. Division of Catanduanes, 2.2. Regional Office 5, 3 million pesos. Division of Naga City, 2.1 million. Division of Iriga City, 1.4 million. That's nothing. We also have Division of Camarines Sur, 7.1 million. Division of Camarines Norte, 2.7 million. Division of Masbate. So is ano na to? November 20, 2.3 million. Division of Sorsogon City. I guess tapos na natin to sa last video natin. So, congratulations. Last Friday, mayroon din tayong mga uh, PBB na mga na-release. Congratulations lahat. Have a nice weekend, everyone.